2006 Tribeca. The Subaru Tribeca will give you an invigorating drive with the confidence to take on curvy roads and the roominess to pack up the kids for a weekend vacation. Engage the road ahead. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, stability control, traction control, airbags, automatic transmission, cruise control, passenger airbag, fog lamps, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, speed proportional power steering, tachometer, daytime running lights, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, rear wiper, power heated outside mirrors, roof rack, rear spoiler. Come see the car for yourself.